Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com here with your Thursday market webcast. All right, so we're still in this box. We had CPI yesterday, which was, it got the vol going again after, Monday and Tuesday being pretty dead days. But as you look at the hourly chart, so what do we have? Here's your CPI. False breakout. False breakdown. They take you down to 41.1225. It's a little bit of a higher high versus here, not a higher high versus the 42.06 or whatever it is from a couple weeks ago. They go ahead and put in a higher low versus this 40.62 quarter where they tested the 50 there a couple times that it held. Then they ran it up the rest of the day, created a lower high here that they haven't been able to deal with in Globex. And we've got PPI in about 25 minutes, and we are sitting deadpan in the middle of the range, sitting on top of daily midband. So, I already typed out in the room this morning. We have been everywhere and absolutely nowhere at all. Great for trading, not good for resolving trading boxes and ranges and things like that. So, I would expect the volatility to hang around. There's certainly a lot to bang around over, and there'll be more come 8:30. But look. It relieved some of the pressure from the Bollinger Bands that had become particularly tight, especially last night's Globex, when they really, they bottomed out. They bottomed out here. They really bottomed out into Europe yesterday morning. Overnight Globex range is 24, which is fine. It's not awesome. It's not dead. It's whatever. So there's no sense in throwing out any theories about 8:30. The tape's going to do what the tape's going to do. What I would say is, as far as the entire day is concerned, heading into the back end of the week, if you're the bulls, you need to cut the crap. You need to hold these areas of support. You need to get above yesterday's high, CPI high that we made after the open, and you need to close above it. Because eventually, the only way you're going to get anywhere is if we get back into something with a 42 on it. You close and you extend that to the upside. Bears also need to cut the crap. You took everything out that you needed to take out, and then you laid down like you always do. You need to stop doing that. So you got to get back below daily mid. You got to get back below the weekly. You got to get back below the 9-day. You got to close below the 9-day. Try to get back to the 50 in the next few sessions. And eventually, because you're not going anywhere or doing anything until you get something with a 40 on it and can close below it and get comfortable trading below it. If you wipe away all the nonsense, we have 4,100 to 4,200 with some moments and blips on either side. And neither side is ready to commit to a leg of trading above 4,200 that goes beyond a day or two, or a leg of trading below 4,100 that goes beyond a day or two. So as we get these data points, as we move through the month, that's the deal. It's a big old range. Sometimes it's been more active than others. It spent most of this week being kind of dead. So we'll see how it comes into the weekend, Thursday, Friday. So price-wise, you got volume-weighted average price and the proprietary moving average are jammed in at 59. Monthly pivots at 52. Hourly mid-bands just above at 54. You can see it on the chart there. The pre-FOMC price has been in play this entire time. That's this blue line. That's 41.49.5. You've got the daily mid-band and the daily pivot jammed up 41.46, and the 9-day is a little bit below at 33. But 33 to 54, 33 to 53, their monthly pivot is really the deal. That's really the deal. And a little bit of an overshoot that bumps into say 59 there, VWAP and proprietary moving average that could reject back through. We'll see. Your overnight high is 68 and change. Overnight low is 44 and change. We have to get past 8:30. We have to see if it cares or if it doesn't care, and if it does, what type of stuff's going to carve out. I contemplated doing this after 8:30, but we're going to be, full speed ahead at that point into the open. So I figured I would do it now. But that's the landscape. That's the landscape. Either we got to figure out a way to live above 4,200 or figure out a way to live below 4,100. Until then, you're just going to have all these lines and all this price jammed in. Bulls got scared up here. Bears got scared down here. They are both squeezable back to the middle. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow.